Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your PC to Active Directory of a server. Firstly, you need to make sure that your IP of your PC is in the same subnet of as the server. So click on this icon, open Network and Internet Settings, change connection property, change adapter options here. This, right click, properties, IP4. I have DHCP configured on a server, so for me I have to put in static IP, but like if you don't have it already, so just put in the any IP that's the same subnet. For me, my IP is 192.168.2.20.0.20, and on PC on server it's, as you can see, 03, so it's the same subnet. Second thing is that you wanna go into tools. Now Active Directory users and computers unit. You can see there is a user. Click on it and now select account. Okay, so keep this window on. Now and also on server, click on local server, check what is your domain. For me it is so.local. Now on PC, let's type in system, click on control panel or system now, system, advanced system settings, and now hit computer name at the top, change from workgroup to domain, and let's type in the name of domain, which for me is so.local, as I said before. Click OK now. Now you have to type in the same username and password that you're typing in when you're logging into onto server. So just an admin. And the password. Hit enter, and now just wait a second. Welcome to the so.local domain. Click OK. There's a prompt that I will have to restart my PC, so to the right, click restart now. And now click on tools again and users, or just open this, the one you have opened earlier. Click on this again, account, and let's remember my user logon name, which is meow.mm and so.local. I don't know why my PC is once in different language and other time in different, but this is your normal user and it's going to show up after you connect to the domain. So click on this, it's going to be like other user or something. Now you have to type in the username, this username, so this, hold this, so and also the password that you have set it up for this user. Yeah, exactly. I forgot the name. If you haven't created a user yet, just click here, click new unit, organizational unit here, and you will have something like this. Then click right click, new, create user, and just fill everything. For me, I have to put in the password now, and it's logging me in. So that's all. I will show you that it works by just connecting to the FTP that I have created earlier. So just wait a second. Okay, so now if I hit here, this is web, and this is the server. As you can see, I have a folder like this, and if I open directories here, www, it's the same here. And I should be able also, because I have set up an FTP, so let's check if it works. I think it doesn't work, but it doesn't matter. As you can see, you have connected the PC to the Active Directory. So that's all. If I have helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions, let me know in the comments.